class 122 or class 2 of mechatronics. Block diagram or components of a mechatronic systems with examples. Examples are also mentioned in the block. In examination, if for lesser mark is asked, you need not write the examples. See, examples are given here. Okay. So a mechatronic systems, okay, mechatronic system has all these components: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the basic system, you had only two things: mechanical system only. Okay, in that you had only two systems, which are nothing but actuator and sensor. Actuator and sensor. Say actuator is a DC motor, sensor is a tacho generator, or actuator is a relay, sensor is a CT. But in advanced, that is third or fourth level mechatronic system, you have all these components. So this is the actuator, and to the actuator, sensor will be there. These are called as the physical environment where the work is being done and the same work is being sensed, and that sensor output now will have to be given to the control circuit or control system or control technique. But you cannot give directly the sensor output to the control, because this may be of very low value and may need to be amplified, and this may be an analog value, this may need digital input. So proper conditioning and interfacing should be done before the sensor output is given to the control system. This is called as conditioning and interfacing of input signal to the control system. Input signal comes from the sensor, actuator output is sensor input, sensor output is input to the control system. So there it can have filter also. Example, filter. You may need to filter some frequency or noise from the output of sensor. So all these things are there. AD conversion or these things are there. AD or DA or these things are there. Now here you will control algorithm techniques are here. It can be a simple control technique like sequence and timers are used, or a sophisticated, say some microcontroller are used, or maybe higher, or even higher is artificial intelligence technique, which is not given here. So many or any type of control technique is done here, and it gives the necessary output signal which has to be given to the actuator. But you cannot give directly the signal to the actuator, because actuator may be motor, the control system may be a computer or some microcontroller. You cannot give microcontroller output directly to the motor. It needs again output signal conditioning and interfacing, like what we had interfacing here. Similarly, relevant conditioning and interfacing needs before this signal is given to the actuator. You may need amplifier, you may need digital to analog conversion, or this may be in digital, say 5 volt, and this may need 3 phase AC. So this 5 volt signal should be given to the 3 phase AC circuit or single phase AC circuit or DC 110 volt whatever it is. So all this conditioning is to be done. Then if you need to display what is the result, then you need display also. So in the older system, we had only these two. In the next generation, we have one, two, three, four, five. Also six. Sometimes you may not have display. Sometimes you may have display. To save energy, sometimes display is not done. So these are the blocks or components of a mechatronic system with examples. These two figures are same. Thank you.